In this area, we have 2 units of wash basin. And these 2 pieces of pipes here, this is the supply line and the return line for the water heater. And this one here is the shower mixer. We have here our built-in type of bulb, and that line is coming from the elevated water tank, so that is our supply line for the down feed. This one here is our built-in type of water cistern for the western type of water closet. And this one here is the mixer for the hand spray or the shut top. And this one here is our supply line for the water cistern intended for the Arabic water closet. And this one here is the mixer for our hand spray or shut top for the Arabic water closet. Okay, and so that's it for the PPR piping for this particular toilet and bath.